Well, you've got to put that in there first.
No, I've got to get some of this bread done. So. Hey, Mom, how come every time
You let her talk to you that way?
And we get your picture, you're in house coat and gown? Listen,
He's like, yeah.
this is my house. I want to be comfortable. That bra hurts this right here. That bra hurts this. So.
Here. Overlap.
Yeah. Yes, it's about ready. Come on. I'm fixing to stick it in the oven.
What's that say?
All right, honey.
What does
Bye.
that say?
Yep.
Oh, do you feel better since you eat that candy bar now?
That's the biggest batch I've ever seen.
Me too.
Now you put these on, don't you?
Yep.
You trying to work it up there, Layla?
You want to see Shadow?
Well, now if you ain't gonna cut that part.
I see Shadow.